Alright, it's a new day. I am in Shelbyville, Tennessee, visiting with the fam and stuff. I got my smoothie made, got my Red Bull ready to go. Today's plan, I'm just gonna go ride the skate park. So I'm gonna take my window covers down and we gonna get this day started. Sun is shining. Gotta love that. I wonder what it looks like up in Michigan right now. We're off to the skate park. Gotta wait for traffic. Traffic. Looking for my chapstick. Been a little car sick. There's a Ford Maverick. Oh, getting out my cousin's driveway is a pain. There we go. There it is. Look at those flags fucking whipping. And we're here. I'm not really sure how this is gonna work with all that wind. Sun's shining, but it's windy. Let's get to it. Let's try and learn something new. Well, let's put on a little something more wind protective, I guess. Windy and bright. I'm just gonna session this little spot to warm up, I guess. It's so windy. It is extremely windy out here. Alright, I guess we're gonna try and do this half pipe. Looks like a good fly out, but it's not. It's like 50 degrees out, but with this wind, it's like 35. I think that's what my app said, which is ridiculous. All right, we're gonna try and do a little tail stall, I guess, over here. See how it goes with this friggin' wind. trying to figure out a way to transfer this. See how that goes. Well, I guess, you know, it was all right. How windy it is, I guess. Couldn't really crank the bar on that toboggan, but whatever, you know. This is definitely built for skateboards. I can tell you that much. It's cold and windy, but this jacket got me sweating. Oh, what time is it? Come on. Ah, yeah. I got maybe like 15 more minutes before I gotta go pick up my cousin. Alright, we just pulled up to my uncle's shop here to pick up my cousin. Go get some pizza. Just waiting for her bitch ass to get out here. Up! There that bitch at. About time. Alright, we're gonna go get some pizza.